Good morning to all. In the mechanical operation subject, we are discussing the size separation of solid based on the specific property. So, lastly, we discussing there is an uh, what is the froth flotation method? What is the froth and what is the froth flotation method? So this is one of the separation technique in which one is floating and other one is settling down. So difference between them, creating difference them, and then uh, we we develop a method. So so these are the froth flotation method, and the definition of flotation is refers that it is an operation in which one solid is separated by the another by them floating one on the liquid surface. Okay, the principle of separation is that the separation of flotations depends on differences in the surface property of the material. So then after we discuss the what are the promoters, collectors, modifiers, and frothing agents. Okay. Now the next is separation technique by the magnetic property and electronic property. So electrostatic property we discussing, in which there is a number of three type method. Number of three types of method, which is contact electrifications. Second one is electrifications by conductive inductions. Third one is electrifications by bombardment. So the first electrostatic separator, let me see electrostatic separator. Okay, so electrostatic separations depends on differences in electric properties. That means in the it is an conductivity, either it is a positively charged or the negatively charged. Okay, so it's conductively positive negative charge of the material to be treated. So electronic separations depends on the different in the electric property, which is difference in the electric property, that is conductivity. The electrostatic separator shown in figure 4.10, which is consistence of grounded rotor, or it can say be the rotating drum, a hopper for feeding the solid, and active electrode, and which is situated or placed at a small distance from the drum and collecting bins. So let's see in the electrostatic separator, that is separated by conductive inductions, and these are the method. So exactly what uh, as per we show in figure, there is a rotating grounded rotor. Okay, so this is the grounded rotor, which is exactly uh, um, the charged by positive ion or the negative ion. Okay, as per the requirement. Okay, so what exactly happened here? So exactly what happened here, so the positive ion is first of all, there is in the hopper is the one types of funnel where the feed material can be entered to eat. Okay, and the bottom of the part, there is a two vessel in which they are separating vessels. So exactly the uh, dark black dark black balls or the particles are positively charged, or a plain black plain hollow circles is negatively charged. So if there is a positively charged material, is exactly what happened here, The positively charged material is attracted by the grounded rotor, and the other one is which is a negatively charged. So this one is automatically goes fed on the surface of grounded rotor. So exactly the process being carrying out, so it will be separating out. Okay, now the solid to be suspended. The solid to be separated are fed onto the rotating drum, either charged or grounded from a hopper. The conductive particles in very short time will assume the potential of rotating drum, okay, which is having a very short time to assume the rotating drum, which is opposite that of the active electrode, which is opposite of the active electrodes, and hence they get attracted towards the active electrode, and they were attract to the uh, एक्टिव इलेक्ट्रोड, दैट इज़ जो भी पॉजिटिव चार्ज मटेरियल है वो क्या होगा, पॉजिटिव चार्ज मटेरियल दे आर अट्रैक्ट बाय द नेगेटिव चार्जेस, एंड द पॉजिटिव चार्जेड मटेरियल आर ऑलरेडी सेपरेटिंग आउट. द नॉन कंडक्टिव मटेरियल इज रिपेल्ड बाय द इलेक्ट्रॉन एंड अट्रैक्ट बाय द ड्रम. જે પણ નોન ઇલેક્ટ્રિક મટીરિયલ છે બરાબર, નોન કંડક્ટિવ, એને શું કરવામાં આવે છે, it will be separating out by the drum and attract by the drum. So the non-conductive materials falls down straight under the influence of gravity. The non-conductive material falls down straight the gravity and collected as in a separate bin. Okay, so these are the working principle of the electrostatic separator. Now the second method is that magnetic separation of the solid based on magnetic property. So magnetic separation is the method of separating solid particles by means of magnetic field. જે મેગ્નેટિક સેપરેટર છે એને જનરલી મેગ્નેટિક ફિલ્ડ દ્વારા સેપરેટ કરવામાં આવે છે. In this method, material having a different magnetic attractability are separated by passing them to the magnetic field. So the difference in magnetic property or a difference material is responsible for such an operation. So for the magnetic separation, magnetic properties is responsible for the separation. Now solids are classified. First, diamagnetic solid, which when placed a magnetic field are repelled by it. જે ડાયમેગ્નેટિક સોલિડ્સ હોય એને શું કરવામાં આવે છે, ચાર્જ કરવામાં આવે છે when on the surface of magnetic field. Then second one is paramagnetic solid, which when placed in the magnetic field are attracted by magnetic field, which is directly attracted by the paramagnetic solid. So when a mixture of or above solid is subjected to pass through a magnetic field, magnetic solid are attracted towards it and non-magnetic solid are repelled and collected in separate bins. And the magnetic separator are employed to tramp ion removal. In this case they are called collector, eliminators and concentrators. So these are the magnetic pulleys and magnetic drums, magnetic separators. So let us see the magnetic head pulley, so how it can be separated, and then magnetic drum separator and ball notter magnetic separator. So let's see first magnetic pulley. Magnetized pulley is used for removal of tramp iron from the product handle on a belt conveyor. The conveyor is a belt. Magnetic pulley having a diameter up to 1500 mm and width up to 1500 mm. ડાયામીટર અને વિથ બંને 1500 mm સુધી હોય છે, એટલે કે 150 સેન્ટીમીટર, બરાબર. The belt speed ranges from 53 meter per minute of the pulley of the diameter to 300 mm to 150 m per minute of pulley of 1500 mm. મેગ્નેટિક પુલી ઇઝ ઇન્કોર્પોરેટ ઇન બેલ્ટ કન્વેયર. એક ટાઈપનું બેલ્ટ કન્વેયર હોય છે, જે આપણે ફિગરમાં જોઈ શકીએ છીએ. મેગ્નેટિક હેડ પુલી, જે મેગ્નેટિક હેડ પુલી હોય છે, સો ધીસ આર ધ હેવી પુલી વિચ ઇઝ magnetic field are occur on the pulley, and then non-magnetic particles are separated from the splitter, and magnetic particles are separated at the down. Okay, and the top of the belt, just put it down the materials. So in the magnetic pulley, the material to be separated must, first of all, magnetic pulley is incorporated belt conveyor. એક પ્રકારનું એક જગ્યા પરથી શું કરવામાં આવે છે, ફીડ ઇનલેટ કરવામાં આવે છે, અને બીજી જગ્યા પરથી શું થાય છે, ફીડ આઉટલેટ થાય છે, બરાબર. સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધ વર્કિંગ પ્રિન્સિપલ. ફીડ છે, બરાબર, એક છે એ ઇલેક્ટ્રિક મોટર સાથે કનેક્ટેડ હોય પુલી, જે શું કરે, એના સાફ્ટ સાથે કનેક્ટેડ હોય છે અને એ ફરે છે, જ્યારે બીજો એન્ડ એટલે કે મેગ્નેટિક એન્ડ એની સાથે બેલ્ટ દ્વારા કનેક્ટેડ હોય છે, બરાબર. And the material to be separate must be supplied in the form of sheet layer or subjected to particle of a magnetic field by the same intensity. Okay, so next is that magnetic drum separator. So exactly magnetic drum separator ની અંદર શું હોય છે, as per we see that a drum is directly connected with the pulley which is driven by the electric motor, and then this magnetic drum is connected by the belt conveyor to the belt, and which is like that. Okay, as per we seen this, and into the drum there the number of magnet are connected into series in the circulatory form. We see that, and so in the construction we see that there is a number of magnets are connected. So based on the specific property, so magnetic drum are positively or negatively charged. Okay, based on the application. So the magnetic material will be attract, some of them is positive and some of them is negative. So due to the due to the magnetic separation, the magnetic material are attracted by the drums, and the non-magnetic materials are removed during the centrifugal force. So it can be separate by the splitter, and the non-magnetic materials is separate out far long away to the magnetic material. and the magnetic materials are collected at the bottom of the part. So this is the working principle of the magnetic drums separator. As per the Ball Norton magnetic separators, so exactly what happened, so these are the uh, north south. This one is one of the base type, that means there is in positive and negatively charged, uh, the magnets are uh, put on the conveyor belt, inside the conveyor. So if there is an if there is an any magnetic field is positively or negatively, material are on the on the material, so it can be separating out. And the non-magnetic materials is then it will be the remove it will be the remove it will be the remove. So exactly here there is a number of two types of two pulleys are available, and the bottom is the simply conveyor belt, and top one and upper part is the magnetic pulley, which considering the attract the material. Okay, so these are the Ball Norton magnetic separator.